The #1 cause of traumatic brain injuries in children under 5 are in car wrecks. When bicycle helmets were mandated, traumatic brain injuries went down 75% and deaths for children went down 85%. And we're thinking, well, if they went down 75 to 85% when they started wearing them on bicycles, why not in cars? What's the difference in a race car driver wearing a helmet and a kid wearing a helmet? What's the difference in wearing a helmet on a bicycle or a skateboard or in a child safety seat? And I'm just saying it's just the next logical step. We were walking through the office and my sister said, you know, we have a lot of pictures of children. And while we were looking at that, describing what happened to each child and how they got hurt, we had a really life-changing, a life-altering, profound moment when we realized that every one of those injuries were preventable. We went on a quest, if you will. We had a mission to make sure that we stopped preventable injuries to children. I've seen the worst of the worst, and I've seen how traumatic brain injuries and injuries to small children can devastate a family. And so we went and bought helmets and started giving them away. We teamed up with pediatricians and physicians. It went from us running a little ad in the newspaper, buying a bunch of helmets and giving them away, to partner up with doctors, getting volunteers, forming a board of directors. It's really turned into a large, successful nonprofit charity. We get to go places that other lawyers can't go because we're not out there saying, hey, come hire us. We're out there saying, hey, let's prevent injuries. If I never get another traumatic brain injury case because no child ever receives an injury, I couldn't be happier. Our mission is to make sure that we put a helmet on every single child in America, and that's our goal. We're not going to quit until we get there.